because of these four major things: lack of clear marketing strategy, inadequate market research, underestimating the competition, and poor budget management. So at Langton, we encounter these challenges head on. So our USPs are strategic planning, in-depth market research, competitive analysis, and budget optimization. See, we offer brand awareness. Today, attention is a real currency. So at Langton, we run strategic brand awareness campaigns which will not only focus on showing your brand, but it will make your customers remember the brand. Then, we offer lead generation. Many businesses struggle with lead generating quality leads. Unlike others, focusing on quantity leads, we focus on quality leads, which will help you convert your customers more easily and a consistent high performance results. Then, majority of the businesses are not leveraging marketing automation. See, when I talk about marketing automation, it's whenever you get a lead or whenever a customer visits your website, automatically we can send them pop-ups, we can send them notifications, we can send them any kind of messages. This will help you streamline your entire marketing process, and also it will help you get in touch with your customers and be in touch with your customers more consistently. So if I'm telling some success stories of mine, there is a client called Deccan Springs Global School. The major challenge that we faced for this client is, initially there was another agency who worked for this brand, and after running several campaigns and poor targeting, the average student cost is about 55,000 rupees per student. Then after we onboarded the client, with our approach, we targeted this only 8 kilometer radius of the school, and we ran multiple targeted campaigns in platforms like Facebook, Google, Instagram, and this gave us drastic results. Like we reduced the student acquisition cost to 17,644 rupees, which is 3 times lesser than the competitor. And within the 8 kilometer radius, we reached more than 8 lakh people. So this gave the school so much of visibility, and it's been more than 1.5 years since we are working with the school. So we also build long-term relationships with our clients. Then we have another client called Vishwavarini Developers. So the major problem this client is facing is not having consistent leads every month. So after onboarding our client, we created a customized lead generation strategy for this client, and we made sure that his entire communication and marketing is consistent across all platforms to target his potential clients. And the results are, we were able to generate 1,600 leads, 1,200 leads per month, and out of these 1,200 leads, 15% to 20% are site visits, which is very much higher. So how we did it is, basically every business needs to qualify their leads. At Langton, we really focus on qualifying a lead by asking them a lot of questions, so that your time will not waste and your customer will really show interest. So by doing all these activities, the client actually generated about 38 CR in just 3 months. So which is very huge. So today I'm looking for a specific ask. I want to connect with Suvarnabhumi Infra Projects. His managing director, Mr. Sridhar. So, signs that you need Langton marketing. See, when you meet somebody, they might be struggling with growing their brand. If they are struggling with growing their brand, you need Langton. If they are not getting right leads, you need Langton. If your content is not attractive, you need Langton. If you are spending a lot on marketing but not able to achieve the desired results, then you definitely need Langton. So some of the FAQs that people ask me is, see, how is Langton able to deliver effective results when other competitors are not able to? So we basically plan the entire marketing funnels using scientific marketing strategies and frameworks which are proven, and we have a methodological approach where we actually understand your brand, and based on your customer personas and target audience, we create the entire campaigns. So this will not only get you results, but it will also make you be a market leader. So you may get question like, there are more than 50 business owners here. So will land-based strategies work for all businesses? So we have worked with more than 170 plus brands across various industries and niches in global and international market. So by giving the experience that we have, we almost tested our campaigns with every industry, and it's customized for each business. Even though if you are in same industry, based on your operations, your system and your process, we customize the entire marketing solutions. So then next, how can you start with LANTERN marketing? It's very simple. After this meeting, I'll be there. You guys can come to me. I'll understand your business. Then I'll give you a customized marketing strategy, and which is everything is free. You guys can actually take the strategy, use it for your business. I won't mind. Thank you.